Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can update your Microsoft Office. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, open any Office app. For example, Office Word. And then create a new document. For example, just tap on Blank Document. Now you can see at the top left corner of your screen the File option. Just tap on that. Now from this option, you can see at the bottom the Account. Just tap on that. Now you can see at the product description Update Options. Just click on that. And then we can see the option Update. Just tap on Update so you can update your Microsoft Office. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.